You will receive your desire in 30 minutes after watching this video. But first, we need to take these steps. Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Before we get into the video, you are more than welcome to subscribe on this channel. I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. If you are manifesting your SP currently, I highly recommend for you to invest in yourself and enroll in my Manifest Your SP course. This is a 14-week course designed to get your SP as quickly as possible. Every week, there's specific text included, video, affirmations, and homework to do. By the end of the 14 weeks, you will be fully and well equipped to manifesting your SP. And the best thing about it is that we're doing it together. I'm holding your hand through this week by week until you get your SP. Click on the very first link in the description box down below and follow the prompts to enroll, or go to RitaKaminski.com and click the Manifest Your SP course tab. If you would like to have a one-on-one conversation with me where you tell me your situation and any questions you may have, and I will put all of my focus, attention, and energy on you. I will lay out a manifestation routine for you. I will give you specific affirmations or anything else you may need. I will tailor it specifically to your personality, your situation, to your wants and needs. All of the information to book will be in the second link in the description box down below, or you can go on RitaKaminski.com and click that big book now button at the top right hand corner. If you would like to join collective coaching, you can click the join button right next to my name. This is where you can ask me any question and I will address it in the following members only video, where other members will be able to share with you their opinion, and also we just learn from each other and create an amazing, beautiful community. If you can't find the join button next to my name, you can also click the third link in the description box down below to join. If members only is not available in your country, you can click the fourth link in the description box down below. That will be a Patreon link. It is the exact same collective coaching program, but just on another platform. I want you to follow these exact steps and your manifestation will come to fruition within 30 minutes. So we're specifying exactly what we want. Let's say we are manifesting our SP. I want Jake to text me. That is the manifestation that we want to unfurl within 30 minutes. We are taking just one moment to sit there and recognize, know, internalize, understand that in this current reality, Jake has texted you. Seeing it in your 3D reality has nothing to do with the fact that you know it into being. You know that right now you have the text. You just haven't opened your phone yet. It is like Schrodinger's cat. Did you get a message from Jake or not? The thing is that you are already deciding that you have received a text from Jake. Now, this is the most important idea of this video. You must know that you have received a text message from Jake just as much as you know something that is actually true in your life right now. So I want you to answer this question for me right now. What is something that you know to be true in your reality right now? I love using the hand analogy because I can look at my hand right now and I always know that I have this. This is real in my reality. I use it every day. I see it every day. It is real. It can be you knowing for a fact that you have a dog because you're seeing your dog in your reality right now. He's sleeping right next to you. You may be hearing your sister from the other room watching TikTok videos and laughing, and you know that her existence is real. It doesn't matter what it is. It could be the clothes on your back. It can be your scholarship. It can be the existence of your parents. It could be the existence of your bed. Anything. We can all see on the screen right now that I am brunette. I have dark hair. This is a fact, no? So with that being said, just as much as you know for a fact that I have brunette hair, you know that Jake has texted you right now. Not in 30 minutes, right now, in this current moment, in this second, whatever day you're watching this, in this present moment right now, where you're situated, you know that Jake has texted you. I want you to close your eyes and actually not believe it, but more importantly, know it. You know it to be a fact. You just haven't checked your phone yet. Without you doing this correctly, this isn't gonna work. Okay? I want you to really take your time, do this almost meditation with me, but that can be kind of fancy for some people. It doesn't have to be a meditation. literally, it's just closing your eyes and knowing, recognizing. Just like you read in a book, the war started in 1937. You are basically reading a book right now, but instead of the war started in 1937, you are saying, Jake has texted me right now. After that, I want you to drop it, and I want you to follow your happiness on a moment-to-moment basis. What does that mean? That means that in this current present moment, in the second that you're watching this, I want you to be aware of your emotions and what is making you happy right now, and what thoughts can lead you to an action that will bring you the most happiness in this moment with what you have in this specific moment. What does this mean? You may not have the opportunity right this second to go on a plane and fly to the Maldives. I'm saying with the options that are laid out in front of you right now, it could be your phone sitting right there, you have an option to go on TikTok or Pinterest or wherever you want to go on your phone. You can stay watching this video. You can stand up and talk to your sister. You can stand up and play with your dog. You can stand up, drive to the nearest beach or to the nearest nature location and take a walk or go to the gym or online shop or have a snack. Literally whatever it is, you must be in tune with yourself and just ask yourself, what will make me the happiest to do in this current moment? Get up, do it. If it's watching this video, continue watching this video until you get another pang, but you must always be on alert. What is making you the happiest? For example, if you are getting bored, then you must be in tune with your emotions and trust yourself and follow what will make you the happiest in each moment for 30 minutes only. But I highly advise for you to do this for the rest of your life. What that does is it distracts you from whatever it is that you are manifesting right now. You are forgetting about your manifestation. You're not wavering anymore. You're not resistant, and you are purely in the moment, enjoying to the best of your ability whatever it is that you're doing. Don't put too much pressure on this. You don't have to make yourself be happy. But as you continue to do this, your mood will go up, even if it is briefly from depressed to a little bit bored. That is still a jump from a very low energy to a slightly better energy, right? Then you will work up the scale eventually. But this can literally just happen for 30 minutes. And what will happen is the walls will come down of your resistance and your manifestation will literally fall in your lap. That's all it takes. And it's not just about text. It can be getting accepted into a university, getting accepted to a job, becoming financially free, literally getting a viral video idea that will make you become a famous YouTuber or a famous TikToker, whatever it is. You may have an idea to book Wegovy right now, or you may have an idea to go for a walk that sparks some inspiration in you. You take inspired action and then you start losing weight from that walk because it ignited something in you. As everyone says, weight loss, and it's not just to do with weight loss. When you're in inspired action, something clicks in your mind, like an actual very strong decision to lose weight. That's when it starts to happen. But it's not just about losing weight. It is about absolutely every single thing to do with your life, to do with any manifestation. Then something will click and whatever it is that you're manifesting will begin to happen. So whether it is you're manifesting weight loss, you will start to not even want the foods that you have been eating before. Or you want to move to a new house, you start getting inspired action to go on this specific website to look at houses. You meet this specific person. Not all within 30 minutes. It depends on how much resistance falls from you within those 30 minutes. The beginning of that manifestation is coming to fruition in the most natural way possible that you will allow it. But again, I don't want to limit you. It can literally happen instantly, whatever manifestation it is. You may expect a text from Jake within 30 minutes. Maybe not. Trust in the process, because even if it does not happen in 30 minutes, you are now on the path to that manifestation because you have realized it into your reality and now you are following the steps to get that based on your resistance. But I promise you, if you even do 90% of this correctly, your full manifestation will be at your doorstep in 30 minutes, because you are limitless. Whatever you decide is true in your reality is true in your reality right now, and it has no choice but to manifest. So let me know how you go in the comment section down below. I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.